How to sign up for FIFA World Cup official webpage. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for FIFA.com. Here, tap on the profile icon on the top right of your screen beside the search bar and you will see the option for sign up. Just in case if you already have an account, then you can simply tap on the sign in option there and sign yourself in. Now, once you have tapped on sign up, you will be led to the personal details profile. So go ahead and enter your first name, your email, your gender, your date of birth, your country of residence, and your preferred communication language. Once entered, tap on the continue button, and in the next step, you will be required to enter or create a password. So go ahead and create a password and make sure to use a very strong password. Once done, tap on the check boxes in here if you want updates regarding FIFA. If not, simply tap on the I have read and agreed to the terms of service checkbox and then tap on the create account button you see there, and with this you will receive a verification code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you and then tap on the verify my code button, and with this you will be logged in to FIFA World Cup official page. So this was about how you can log in to FIFA World Cup official page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.